Welcome back guys to Trade Pro FX. Today I will be illustrating one of the crucial strategies of trading the rise and fall. So you just dive into your trading view and your Deriv trader so that you first analyze using your trading view and then execute your trades on your trading boat. So first is to reduce the amount of the capital to a realistic capital. So we just reduce to this to 50 USD and we grow from that. So let me first reduce that. So we have 50 USD. I reset everything. I told you must be very realistic while trading Deriv. So number one, if you are using a demo account, just reduce your capital, then you can now begin to do your analysis and now train or backtest your strategies. So we have a volatility 25 index here. We will be using the 1 minute candlestick. So the 1 minute candlestick is what we will analyze and then go back to trading. So we will put some indicators, and the first indicator that we will be using is an indicator called the CCI. We will be using the CCI, the stochastic RSI. So I first put the CCI, which is the commodity channel index. You see it normally shows the momentum or the direction of the current trend of the market. You can see it showing a downtrend. So the next indicator we have to put, so with that first let me run, because I'll come back and explain why I am running. So digits, so we can see it's on a downtrend, so we change the volatility to 25, then we put the digits and press fall, because I told you always trade according to the market. So I'll just be running that. So our target is 20, so you can see TP is at 20. So let's get back. We can see another candlestick has started. So as it tries to backtest, let's continue adding our indicators. So that's the stochastic RSI, the next one, the next indicator. So our stochastic RSI shows us, and the stochastic itself. So we have three indicators: the CCI, stochastic, and the stochastic RSI. So let me first stop there, because I've seen that the stochastic and the stochastic RSI shows me that we are already on the oversold area. So there is an reverse of the market going to the up direction. So I'll wait for a confirmation that the market has started to change. So you observe the blue line on the stochastic RSI in the stochastic itself. So when the blue line crosses the orange line, and then the CCI shows an uptrend, and the candlestick being formed is a green candlestick, and always ensure to look at the candlestick trying to retest up down. So from there you can run your bot. So let's start by running that. Our target is 20 USD, and see how it behaves. So we can pick very good entries from this rising momentum. So I want to observe this candlestick as it tries to make an uptrend. It tries to trace back and then up down. So looking at this, it has not completely crossed, but we know it is changing the direction to the up direction. And then the stochastic RSI, we can see it's trying to make an up direction. We also have this candlestick trying to make an up direction, and then the CCI also is on the oversold point. So we know that we are currently making some good wins. 2 lost, then contracts 1 is 4, and our total profit is at 20 already. That's the first round. So you see we had 50 USD, and let's try get this account to 100 by just analyzing the rise and fall. And you can see we are already done with our first entry. So I've collapsed the block, so I'll just have to reset again. So you can see our first round we have won that. That's trading rise and fall. So you just observe the candlesticks out the direction, and then have a good capital that can sustain your account. So you see why we have won. We've seen we are moving up. So just looking at the candlestick is rising, and then these have already crossed. The CCI is already showing us an uptrend from the oversold area. Let's see, wait and see. Let first me delete these. So let's delete these marks, and so that we can observe the trend of the market. So we know definitely it's going on an uptrend, so we have no worries. We must win, and if you know you have a good account that can manage any 1 or 2 losses, you are good to go. So in case you have a good bot that can manage 1 to 2, the maximum losses that trading rise and fall you should go is 3 losses. That's the key thing. If you make more than 3 losses, so that they become 4, you just exit that market. That does not qualify to be traded as rise or fall. So we can see that candlestick currently forming its downtrend. Already we have already won. So I'll just reset. You can see we are at 101.2 USD. It's a very good trend. So already we can see how the CCI is behaving, and but the candlestick forming here is showing that we are now moving up. Already this has crossed the blue, has crossed the orange, and then the stochastic has already crossed. So we can run the last round. We can make the last round and we run our boat, and then we wait for the good wonders to happen. So currently you can see the candlestick is a bearish, but it's trying to pull back to the up direction. So we have no issues. If just you know that the candlestick will change direction, it's trying to pull back and move up, pull back and move up, and all the 2 stochastic and are showing us a direction moving up. The only thing currently not showing us is the CCI, but we can spot that the candlestick has already changed to the up direction. That's why we are scooping so many profits, as you can see. So let's see how it behaves. So especially always look at the CCI, how it's behaving. It has changed the direction to the up direction. We have a good momentum, so we have no issues. You can see this one, the stochastic, we can see it's moving up. So let's wait for a win. So I have told you 3 wins, avoid more than 3 wins. Always intend to make profits, and whenever you make more than 4 or more than 3 losses, just exit. So you see we have already scooped that 22.66 USD at 123. We began at 50 USD. It's just that simple, just analyzing, looking the direction of the movement of the market. Let's meet in the next video.